This is Richard Shugart presenting SMB Digest Daily, your online audio and visual first communication highlighting items of interest to the math biology community for the Society for Mathematical Biology. Welcome to SMB Digest Daily for May 22nd, 2018. We start with What's New in the Queue, where we display the newest advertisements that will be out in the next SMB Digest. We have 3 advertisements. The first advertisement is from the Program for Evolutionary Dynamics at Harvard University. They're seeking a mathematical biologist to work on interdisciplinary research projects. Qualified candidates should send an application to Catherine Gallagher. That is all one word. Catherine is with a K, and the last name is spelled Gallagher, and this is at fas.harvard.edu. The second advertisement is a lecturer position in the Department of Applied Mathematics in the Faculty of Engineering and Technology at the Liverpool John Moores University. The new appointment is expected to contribute to research leadership in line with the current focus areas of data science and/or mathematical biology. You can go to the jobs.ljmu.ac.uk website and search for the position with reference number 2280. The closing date for applications is the 6th of June. In the final advertisement, the Department of Ecology and Environmental Science at Umeå University in Sweden opens a PhD student position for studies on ecological speciation and species boundary dynamics in plants. The project investigates the genomics of ecological selection and adaptation and how genetic factors interact with ecology to facilitate speciation. The last day to apply is June 25th. For further information, visit umu.se/en/work-with-us and search for PhD positions in ecology with a June 25th deadline. And that's what's new in the queue. The next section is the Bulletin of Mathematical Biology highlight, where we spotlight an online first article in the Bulletin of Mathematical Biology, the flagship journal of the Society for Mathematical Biology. Today we highlight 2 articles. The first is Threshold Dynamics of a Temperature-Dependent Stage-Structured Mosquito Population Model with Nested Delays by Wang and Zhu. Understanding mosquito population dynamics under the impact of temperature is considerably important for making disease control policies. In this paper, the authors develop a stage-structured mosquito population model in the environment of a temperature-controlled experiment. The authors show that the basic reproduction number is a threshold parameter which determines whether the mosquito population goes to extinction or remains persistent. The authors verify the analytic result by numerical simulations with the temperature data of Colombo, Sri Lanka, where a dengue outbreak occurred in 2017. The other article is Times from Infection to Disease-Induced Death and Their Influence on Final Population Sizes After Epidemic Outbreaks by Farrell, Collins, Green, and Time. For epidemic models, it is shown that fatal infectious diseases cannot drive the host population into extinction if the incidence function is upper density dependent. However, if the incidence function is also lower density dependent, very infectious diseases can lead to a drastic decline of the host population. Further, the final population size after an epidemic outbreak can possibly be substantially affected by the infection age distribution of the initial infectives if the life expectations of infected individuals are an unbounded function of infection age. As always, access to the Bulletin of Mathematical Biology can be found at springer.com/11538. Next, we have upcoming and last-minute deadlines. Here we have a postdoc position at the Origins of Life Center in the Netherlands. The center is looking for a postdoctoral fellow to investigate the multi-scale and multi-level numerical challenges in interdisciplinary origins of life. Applications are being accepted through the 24th of May until 23 hours 59 minutes local time. Additional information can be found on the rug.nl website. Finally, in the Society for Mathematical Biology highlight, Sandy Anderson of the Moffitt Cancer Center and Research Institute has been elected to the office of President-elect for the Society for Mathematical Biology. He will assume that office at the 2018 annual meeting of the Society in Sydney, Australia. His term as president will begin at the 2019 annual meeting at the Society in Montreal, Canada. Also, Peter Kim of the University of Sydney, Doran Levy of the University of Maryland, and Alyssa Schwartz of Washington State University have been elected to the SMB Board of Directors. Each will serve a 4-year term, which will begin in the 2018 annual meeting of the Society in Sydney, Australia. Lastly, the next SMB Digest Daily will be out on May 28, 2018. This has been Richard Shugart presenting SMB Digest Daily for the Society for Mathematical Biology and SMB Digest.